Hello and welcome to the Social Dictionary first tutorial, basic usage. In the previous video, we went over installation account creation. So if you can't get to this search page, then go to that video first and then come back to this one. In that video, we went over how to create this user, some user. So we're logged in as that user. And when you're at the search page, we can get to this input by clicking on the input, by pressing the X, or by pressing this keyboard icon so that your thumb doesn't have to travel that far to get to the search input. In the middle, you can also find these hints that you can scroll through or press and hold to get a list of all of them and to select the one that you want to see. So if we search for the word lexicon, you can see that definitions appear for this word. We can either click on the name, the right chevron, or this more button down here to go to the list of all the definitions of this word. And some are made by different users. See, it's @Kel and @WordNet. @Kel is me, but if you do the one more by WordNet, it'll pre-filter by the definitions for that user for this word. So you can see WordNet by the X on the top left is the pre-filter for this word. And these are the WordNet definitions. We can press that X to go back to all the definitions of the word. Besides that, we can also have regular sort and filter. So if you click on the favorites dropdown, you can sort by recent. And if you click it and go to filter, you can also filter by the part of speech. So you can filter by noun. These are all nouns, so it's not going to make much of a difference. But if you had other parts of speech, they would be filtered. You can also press and hold on the sort to get to filter. And if you press all, it'll just get rid of the filter entirely. So when you're looking for these definitions, you would favorite a definition by pressing on the star icon. If you go back to the search page and refresh, you'll see that that definition has showed up instead of the other definitions. And this will be more helpful for when you're reading and you come across a definition and you want the definition that you want to see show up. If you go to the far right by your user profile, you'll see that it has also appeared under your favorited definitions. And if you click on lexicon, it'll go to that definition. Now, when you've built up a list of a lot of favorited definitions, you can play a quiz. So we can press casual and find the correct word. And these will keep looping through the same word because we only have one word here, but if you have more, then it'll loop through your words. You see in the far right, we also have combo, so combo 2. If you get a wrong word, it'll break combo and you will lose your combo. If you toggle to synonyms, you can also see it have synonyms instead of definitions. And you can play like that instead of having the definition over here. If you go to the browse or the home, bottom second tab, you can see a list of all the favorited, most popular definitions. But sort and filter also work the same way. So you can sort by recent, and then you can filter by adverb. And then these are all the recent adverbs that have been created. And if you click on a user at the @Kel, you can go to that user. And that is all for this video. I'll see you in the next one.